On today's Money Monday, I wanted to talk to you about rising costs. As commodity prices are falling, we are taking more and more notice of what we're spending. And I wanted to raise with you some suggestions on your insurance. Whether you're insuring a house, a car, or your farm pack, it is going through the roof year after year. So I would suggest two things to you that you might be able to do to help lower your insurance costs. Firstly is raising your excess, particularly on your farm pack. So are you going to claim on something if your excess is $1,000? So if you break something and it's worth $1,000, are you going to claim? Because if you're not, because the price is too low, you need to increase your excess. Is it sort of $5,000? Increase your excess to $5,000. So anything under $5,000, you're going to fix at your cost. Anything over $5,000, you're going to ask for insurance to cover the cost on. That will have a big effect on your insurance premium. The second thing is let's look at what's insured. So are you insuring things like an old shearing shed when your place hasn't been a wool producer for years or decades? And if it burns down, you're actually not going to replace it. Now, I'm not suggesting you underinsure, but I suggest that you maybe take some time, maybe 2 or 3 hours in your day when your insurance policy is due, to go through and work out what you're actually insuring. And if it burnt down or blew up, would you replace it? So have a think about that. That couple of hours might save you $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. That's a pretty good hourly rate. Many people will say, I don't have time. At this point, you don't have time. You can't not afford to have a look at your costs. And insurance is one that is going up year after year. So have a think about where you might be able to save some money on your insurance costs. And if this has helped you, or you've thought, yeah, that's actually a good idea, please share it amongst your social media, because we would love to be able to help more people identify where they might be able to reduce some of their costs.